We are at the Nomad Fest in Wellington, Texas, and I'm going to fix the MCD shade on the door that I complained about in a previous video. It keeps coming out of its brackets that hold it on and loses tension. So first I'm going to answer my phone or make it go away. Junk call. Okay, so the first thing you do is you remove these decorative buttons. And there are 5 of them. Are we still going? Okay, then you need to get yourself a number 1 square bit. So it's a square bit and it's the number 1. It's the smallest size that they make. So I'm going to start down in here at this end, and you have to unzip this little mosquito netting area after you've removed all the buttons. And then this comes out like this. And so the shade is held into the valance with 2 little brackets, and you have to release it. Let's see if I can find it. Now we've already repaired this once, so that's why there's still tension in it. So there's a small bracket. There's a small, can you see that right there? That right there. There we go. So just got that released. So now you can see what the bracket looks like. You have to somehow fit it in this side and then pop it into this side. Okay. So the directions that come from MCD, and they're the ones that make the shade for Pleasure Way. They make lots of shades for the RV industry, and they say, the weird part is they tell you that there's one end is gray and one end is black for these brackets. And as you can see, when it's up in the valance, it looks black. Everything looks black. So here's the difference. This side is the gray side, and this is the black side. And the black side is what you turn to tension the shade so that it has more tension. So you have to push down. See when I push down with the screwdriver? Then you can turn it clockwise to tighten the tension. Sure that pops out. Okay. So the problem that we had, and I don't know if others have had it as well, is that, and I've already fixed this part. I've already fixed this part of it, but when we removed it originally from the valance, this end bracket right here was sticking out another 1/4 inch, which meant that the shade was not staying inside. So there was too much of a gap between the shade and this black bracket. So we tapped it in all the way, because originally it just wasn't tapped in, and then we placed a little bit of glue along each edge, and there was originally glue on one edge, but obviously it had come loose. But I think what they did originally was actually just not tap it in all the way, because there was some resistance, and then glued it without it being tapped in all the way. And so that's why this thing kept falling out and losing tension. So the trickiest part is getting this piece of extruded aluminum back into these 2 brackets that hold it in place. So, yes. So we also noticed that this screw seemed to be really loose. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten that and see if that helps us get it back in properly. So it's now tight. It does stick through the other side, but that won't be seen. And I'm going to tighten this one down here as well. And then let's see if I can get this locked in place. And I got to find where those brackets are. Oh, it's way up there. Okay, there it is. There's the bracket. Okay, I see it. Okay, so the trick is getting this thing There we go, got that one. You can hear it, a nice click when it goes in. Oops. Find the bracket down here. Here it is down here. And then with the screwdriver on that extruded aluminum, I'm gonna push, and there it goes, clicked in. Great, so that should be good. And when I pull this out, we have good tension, so that's good. I think this is gonna work. Okay, I wanna point out, John, come over here, that this little Teflon washer has a concave, convex point. You want the widest part to be facing you when you screw them back in. Okay. And we started with putting the middle one in, and then we'll work out. And then the last thing is to put the buttons back on the screws. Okay, now here's the test. Does it work or not? No. Look what failed. This bracket failed. The screw failed. So it's like we need a bigger screw. So as I mentioned, we're at the Nomad Fest, and it's been raining most of the day. We got in kind of late. But it's 3 o'clock, and there is a hardware store within half a mile, and so we're going to walk down there and try to get a screw. I mean, why would you use a wood screw, a sheet metal screw, into particle board, which is basically what that valance is, because it just pulled right out of that flimsy material. So we're going to get a nut and a bolt to hold both of these on, because I'm going to have to take it apart again. So we'll be back in probably an hour. See how muddy it is. Okay, so we come down to Bartlett's Lumber and Hardware in the rain, and they were so helpful in there. I highly recommend this place if you're in Wellington, Texas. As John says, for $1.18. Go ahead.
For $1.18. You can make sure that this never happens. And that door, it has more abuse than any part of the RV. Is that door banging open and closing. So they got this little cheesy fastener into a piece of cheesy particle board, and they didn't go all the way through. If I'm in manufacturing, and I have been for most of my adult life, I wouldn't have done that.
Okay, that's your rant for the day. Back from the hardware store, and we're hoping that these machine screws with a nice flat head will work in this. So we're gonna open them up and give it a try. Okay, so the screw did fit into the hole, probably because it's just particle board. And so the next question is whether the head sticks up too high. Okay, now here's the final test. See if it works this time. Yay, it works. It's fixed. It's gonna stay in there. Okay, just so you know what parts we used in case you have the same problem. These were 1032 1 inch machine screws. The head is short enough for the bracket to fit back in there. I don't know who actually assembles this piece for Pleasure Way. Maybe MCD puts the whole thing together. I don't know who it is, but for $1.18 in parts, and that's retail, you could do it right. It really needs to be secure. So if you have this problem with your Pleasure Way, with the valance and the shade coming out, then hopefully this solves it. And if you have any questions or comments, pop them below. And thank you for watching.
Are you excited about being a big sister?
Yeah!
Are you going to take care of the baby?
Yeah!
What are you going to do for the baby?
I want to change the
That's always her answer. Am I going